Hey there, I'm Scott Mann. I'm a retired Green Beret, and I'm also the leader of Task Force Pineapple and the author of the New York Times bestseller, Operation Pineapple Express. And I want to tell you how excited I am that I'm going to be spending time with you at the NAIFA Iowa State Convention Friday, September 8th. And I'm going to be spending time with you talking about something that I know that you deal with every single day, and it's what I call leading through the churn. Whether you are a producer or an advisor or both, you are having to lead through some of the most distracted, disengaged, and disconnected times of our era. Am I right? I mean, I know you see it. You see it when you try to reach out to clients and prospects. You look at the loss of trust that's happening across our communities. And also, you look at the high stakes, no-fail situations that you all find yourself in when disaster strikes and you have to go have those hard conversations, or when folks in your own agency or in your own organization are struggling with whatever it is that they're up against, with those external pressures coming in on them. This time of churn is very, very demanding, both inside and outside your business and in your community. I've spent 30 years of my life as a former Green Beret working around that churn of distraction, disengagement, and distrust. And on Friday, September 8th, we're going to dive deep on that. We're going to talk about how to lead through that, how to lead your family, your community, your business, your clients through that churn. And I'm going to really focus on 4 areas that I learned as a Green Beret and that I have developed over 3 decades. One is getting below the waterline of human nature, getting below that transactional, mechanistic, mass technology world and reconnecting with our primal nature. That's where the competitive edge really resides. It's foundational. From there, we're going to talk about how to connect as if your life depends on it, how to make the same kinds of connections that Green Berets make in those low trust, high stakes environments that you can make in your community and your business. And what I'll tell you is what works in life and death works even better in life and business. The next thing that we'll jump into is what I call the generosity of scars. This is a form of narrative competence, using purposeful storytelling to influence and impact clients, customers, prospects, your own associates. Storytellers own the room. They thrive when everybody else is surviving, and we're going to dive into that. And then finally, we're going to get into what my dad calls leaving tracks of legacy. Humans are the most meaning-seeking creatures on the planet, and we're going to talk about how you can leave deep tracks in everything that you do that result in a legacy, that results in meaning and clarity of purpose. And that's what people follow. My promise to you is that if you lean into this training, if you come to this talk that I'm going to give on Friday, September 8th at the NAIFA Iowa State Convention, 2 things are going to happen. You're going to find yourself more relatable to people's pain and more relevant to their goals. And that is what we follow in hard times, and that's how we lead through the churn. I can't wait to see you at the NAIFA State Convention in Iowa on September 8th, and we're going to have a blast. I'll see you on the rooftop.